Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best angle grinder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best angle grinder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Grinder. Its DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Cutoff Grinder is a cordless angle grinder is the ideal upgrade for professionals and DIYers who value their tools. The model is cordless and uses its 20V Max XR lineup, and its motor that is brushless rotates 4.5-inch discs with up to 9,000 rotations per minute. This model from DEWALT was exactly as I had hoped for, superb mobility and a truly impressive power. It was a breeze to do cutting and grinding without any cords getting out of the way. The handle and grip have thick rubber that keeps the fatigue and vibration to an absolute minimal. Safety features on the handle are definitely an advantage. The brake that is electronically controlled put the disc to rest in less than 2 seconds. Just being aware of the kickback brake gave me confidence. For details, let's watch more. Our second best angle grinder is Makita 18V Brushless Cordless Grinder. The Makita XAG04Z is well worth considering by anyone searching for the most powerful angle grinder that is powered by a cordless motor. This top-rated angle mill has the highest speed of 8,500 revolutions per minute due to the brushless motor as well as the lithium-ion battery that is 18 volts in voltage. It is able to handle 4.5 and 5-inch discs. The XAG04Z is a pleasure to use. Although it's not equipped with the top speed, the auto speed adjuster helped it keep its speed even during the most difficult cutting and grinding. There was the least amount of vibration because of the rubber over molded grip and handle, and locking on switches proved to be a major plus. The assembly of the 2-piece handguard was somewhat difficult, however it'd be great to have an electric battery and charger. Third pick in our list is BLACKDECKER Angle Grinder. If you're in search of the most efficient angle grinder to use that can be used for wood cutting, sanding, grout removal, or other tasks that require a light touch, then BLACKDECKER's angle grinder tool might be an ideal option. This budget-friendly model comes with an electric motor with a capacity of 6 amps that can produce upwards of 10,000 RPM and is compatible with 4.5-inch cutting and grinding wheels. BLACKDECKER markets this model to people who are DIY-oriented and light-duty, and that's exactly where it shines. This model, which is affordable, is simple to use due in part to its trigger lock-on. The handle mounting system that is 3-position is suitable for a variety of situations like the cutting or grinding process at odd angles. But don't expect the BLACKDECKER to tackle massive metalworking projects for the length of time you need, since it's just an electric motor of 6 amps. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is PORTERCABLE Angle Grinder. This product from PORTERCABLE is among the best angle grinders that are corded with dependable power. It has a powerful 7.5 amp motor that turns the 4.5-inch disc with speeds that can reach up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. It provides ample power and speed to use in workshops. The PORTERCABLE grinding machine felt at ease when I worked on my metalworking project. It was able to handle cuts and grinding perfectly. Although it's not the power of other grinders we've reviewed, but it's quite close. It's also among the few grinders with an old-fashioned trigger switch, which I found simple to operate and more sensible than other. I particularly like the top mount position for the handle attachment, since it makes cutting easier to manage. One thing to note is that the vibration control isn't the best. However, if it is able to endure all day, it's possible that the user's wrists and hands could become fatigued. Last in our best angle grinder list is Metabo HPT angle grinder. In terms of DIY plans and spending budgets, everybody has the money to buy top-of-the-line equipment every time. Therefore, those who want to cut costs and have a high-quality grinder may consider this model with a cord made by Metabo HPT a look. It is equipped with 4.5-inch discs and the capacity of a 6.2 amp motor that can spin with up 10,000 revolutions per minute. It is among the top 4.5-inch angle grinders for the price, and the Metabo HPT's utility was a bit unexpected. I was impressed by how small and light it felt when I held it in my hands. The position for the switch to power is useful, especially when cutting. The lock-on feature let me to turn the switch on and off, beneficial in my project. My only issue concerns that Metabo HPT lacks the power of other corded models. In addition, the 6.2 amp motor appeared to be a bit weak and could overheat even in normal use.